Hi, my name is Marcel Boulieu. I'm the program leader for animation and game art here at Plymouth College of Art. The animation course is recognized for teachers who work in the field, and those teachers therefore know what students can achieve, which often students don't realize, and that it's a huge opening for them.
Hi, my name is Mike Ford. I am one of the lecturers at Plymouth College of Art on the animation course. I love teaching it. I'm an animator myself. I love the kind of results of what our students produce.
For me, animation is about understanding the world around you and knowing how to communicate that to others. So that's why we talk about why things look the way they do, and leave to the student to design something which is as fanciful or as realistic as they want.
What we do here at Plymouth College of Art is we teach you animation as a craft. So you might be into Marvel Comics, you might be into anime, manga, you might be into Tim Burton's Gothic style. What we do is we teach you the fundamentals of animation as a craft, and you can put your style, your creativity on top of that.
Character animation in Plymouth College of Art is unique because we are combining all the knowledge in terms of concept design and merging that with animation storytelling.
We also get students to do script writing, character designing, backgrounds, concept art, lots of different experimentation with color, lighting, and we also teach filmic language. So cinematography, layout, what camera angles to use in your narratives, how to make your story more dynamic.
Hi, I'm Aaron Prout and I'm a technical demonstrator for animation here at Plymouth College of Art. I predominantly work in stop motion and assist the students with everything to do with camera, lighting, stop motion production and green screen compositing.
We do a lot of detail in software workshops, how to use various 2D software, 3D software, stop motion software. We cover all of this on our course.
The stop motion software that we use is called Dragonframe. This is industry standard, used by animation companies such as Bristol's Almond Animations. Also over in America, Leica Studios use Dragonframe. Wes Anderson was also a director that chose to use Dragonframe for his feature film, Isle of Dogs.
Students get to experiment with 2D traditional draw and cell animation. You get to experiment with 3D computer CGI, and you also get to do stop motion, puppet and claymation.
Stop motion workstations are a professional setup with industry standard stop motion platforms for the students to work on.
The core focus of the animation course is pre-production and production. So you will do that through visual communication, through visual development, exploring concept art for character, for 2D animation, 3D modeling. We will look at the core fundamentals, so drawing perspective, composition, anatomy, texturing.
Students have access to our equipment, so light boxes. Again, we get you to do a lot of the mechanics, so run cycles, walk cycles, lip syncing, character performance, acting, teaching you how to get your characters to come to life. Animation is very much the illusion of life, so all of your story ideas, narratives, we make that happen. So if you've got any kind of burning desire to be a storyteller, this course is perfect for you. Students go on to work in the film industry, they work in the games industry, they work in advertising. The film and animation industry is massive, so there's a lot of jobs up there currently for animation graduates. Again, it's a very friendly course. Our staff are very much catered to all different kinds of skill sets, so we're happy to have you here on the course.